Hello students, it's time for math. Today we're going to be working on three-digit addition. Let's begin by getting warmed up. We're going to count by twos to 100. Let's listen and count along.
Let me introduce you to the dancing twos. They make you dance right to the groove. It's really cool, just do like I do and sing and move with the dancing twos. Be cool cats, count by twos. Now let's hip hop. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now disco. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Do the twist. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now monkey. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Chicken dance. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Do the cool dance. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Now boogie. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. Shake it. 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. Do the slide. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Let's jump it. 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Be cool now. Let me introduce you to the dancing twos. They make you dance right to the groove. It's really cool, just do like I do and sing and move with the dancing twos.
Nice work warming up those numbers. Let's begin our lesson. So our first problem today, can you read it out loud for me? You got it. We're adding 400 plus 300. Let's start by adding the numbers in our ones column. In our ones column, I see 0 plus 0. What's 0 plus 0? Yeah, it's 0. Next, let's add the numbers in the tens column. In the tens column, I see a 0 and a 0. What's 0 plus 0? 0. Last, we're going to add the numbers in the hundreds column. We're going to add 4 plus 3. What's 4 plus 3? It's 7. Our problem was 400 plus 300 equals 700. Nice work. We added our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. Amazing. Let's look at another one. Let's roll our dice and set up our problem. Okay, so we're going to add 306 plus 401. Let's slide our numbers into place. So we'll look at the blue one first. And we'll start with the ones column. What number will go into the ones column? It's going to be 6. There are 6 ones in 306. What number will go into the tens column? It's going to be 0. There are no tens in this number. What number will go into the hundreds column? It's going to be 3. There are 3 hundreds in 306. Let's look at our red number. What number will go into the ones column? One. There is 1 in 401. In the tens column, it will be 0. And in the hundreds column, 4. There are 4 hundreds in 401. Next, we need our math symbol. We are adding. I'm going to add a plus sign. What's next? We'll begin by adding the numbers in our ones column. 6 plus 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we need another one. 1. 6 plus 1 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Next, we'll add the numbers in our tens column. We'll add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Last, we'll add the number in our hundreds column. We're going to add 3 plus 4. Slide our problem over a little bit so we have a little more space. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 hundredths plus 4 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4 equals, let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 306 plus 401 equals 707. Let's do one more. Okay, so this time our problem is 532 plus 321. Let's set it up. You can pause here to think about which numbers will go in the ones, tens, and hundreds column. We'll start with the blue dice. In the number 532, there are 2 ones, 3 tens, 5 hundreds. Let's move on to the red dice. In the number 321, there are 2 tens and 3 hundreds. We're adding. Let's add our addition sign. Okay, let's get started with adding up our columns. We'll begin with the ones column. 2 plus 1 equals, you can pause the video here to draw dots to help you, but I'm going to go ahead and add them. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's add the tens column. 3 plus 2 equals, draw dots if you need to, 5. And 5 plus 3 equals 8. 532 plus 321 equals 853. Nice work participating in math.